Hi, welcome to the next video. My name is Angel from wolfeye.de, and in this video I would like to tell you, if you book a Google Meet demo session with me, here is what you can expect. Yeah, if you're thinking about booking a live demo session. First of all, uh, you will have the live demo session. It will be with a Google Meet session. Yeah. So where do you book it? Let's start with that. You go to our website, start a free trial, and here you can select the date, the day, the time, for example. You will enter your name, your email address, your phone number, and how many computers you plan to monitor. That's the first step. Okay. So uh, we then will start a Google Meet session. And we means you and me. It's me, Angel from wolfeye.de. So that's the first thing. What will happen next if we do the Google Meet session? Um, Google Meet, we probably will talk on WhatsApp. That's the first thing. But we do a Google Meet because Google Meet allows us to share the screen. And the first one that will share the screen will be me. I will share the screen to let you know and to demonstrate Wolfeye to you. The demo session will take 15 minutes or 20 minutes approximately. Yeah. And basically, I will give you the access to my dashboard. This is what you see here is the demo dashboard or something like that you will get. So you will log into the dashboard. This is only the demo dashboard. Log into it. And I will have installed Wolfeye on my computer. So you will be able to see on your browser, logging into the dashboard, you will see my live computer screen. So you will see in live how the screen changes. It will be the live computer screen. Since we will be talking on WhatsApp or writing on WhatsApp, you will probably see my WhatsApp here also. That's the first thing. Also, you will be able to right mouse click on history, open a new tab, and we'll see that my screen, a screenshot will be made. I will do it like 1 minute. Every 1 minute, a screenshot will be saved just for demo purposes. That's what you will get. So after you see how it works, because it's something different. It's a difference if you see here, what you see here is the demo dashboard, the demo Wolfeye Remote Screen dashboard. These are no real live screens. This is a picture, so to speak, of a computer, Windows computer screen or picture. But you will see my live screen. And then after you see how it works, what you will get if you install Wolfeye Remote Screen on your computers, you can decide. The next step would be that you share your screen and I guide you through the installation process. So we will download Wolfeye on your computer, or you will do it. The download file, I will give you the download link. Yeah. And you will download it. It will be then in your download folder. And this is the file that you download, Wolfeye setup, the installation file. So we will install, that will guide you, and you will double click it on one test computer of yours. You install it and launch it, finish, and the Wolfeye Remote Screen software will, the control window, so to speak, will appear. Okay. I will then explain to you the buttons that you see here. I will explain to you that you first, to enable the recording that you see the live stream, you must hit the green button. You then will click the green button. That's it basically. The next button is the email URL button. If you hit that button, this link will be sent to your email. And the next button is stealth mode. You hit stealth mode, the software will go into stealth mode, will hide itself, and will run in the background for that computer that you install it. And I then will send you the link to your dashboard. So you will get a dashboard link. This is again the demo dashboard. You will get your own password. You log into your dashboard and will see the live computer screen on your dashboard from your computer that you have installed it. Maybe using your browser on your computer, on another computer, or even in your smartphone, by the way. Yeah. I then enable the screenshot history so that every screenshot every 5 minutes or every minute is saved, yeah, so that you see it like this. Yeah. I can guide you on another computer if you like. We install it on it, but since it's so easy to install, it's just a click. You saw it's download, install, click the green button, click the blue button. Very easy, very fast. And I'm speaking with you 5 minutes. We're already done, so to speak, but you might have questions. That's why we might take 15 minutes or 20 minutes. And you then will install Wolfeye Remote Screen, because after I guide you, you will exactly know how to install it by yourself. It's really very, very easy. You install it on your remaining computers, yeah? And we'll see for each of the computer that you have installed, you will see here the live screen for those computers. And also the history, the screenshot history will be enabled if you like, if you want. You decide if you want, if you need it. Yeah? And then you test it for a few weeks to see if you like it, if you need it. So please come to the website wolfeye.de, wolfeye.de. Come to the website, click on Start Free Trial or here, and book a Google Meet demo session with me. It's Angel, it's my name, and I will be very, very happy to help you, to guide you, install it on your computers. See you in the next video.